Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from America's Bodycam, and the title of the video is When an Ex-Employee Confronts Her Former Boss Over Unpaid Wages. Now, before we even get into the video, come on now. You ain't paying your employees even though they left. You know, it is what it is, but you still got to pay them what they're owed, man. Let's get into it.
On August 4th, 2024, officers responded to a neighborhood following reports of a physical altercation between an employee and her former employer. The conflict reportedly began when the ex-employee, accompanied by her family, arrived at her former employer's residence to demand unpaid wages she claimed were owed from a previous job.
He put his hands on me. This one right here pushed me twice.
She's an extreme liar. She's an extreme liar and she's irate.
Okay.
My son called y'all earlier.
You want to help or not? You keep walking away.
This guy pulled up to fight in the truck right before y'all. Got out with a tire iron. You know?
Y'all came out here with stuff on my brother.
You see how she rational she is? You want help?
I don't need help. I want him to go to jail. I want you to go to jail.
Why would you want me to go to jail?
Because he don't even live here.
Please step back, Dad. Please come back. Yes, sir.
He don't even live here.
What's up?
It's cool. I'm good. You can't handle me as big as he was. What? Hold on.
You want to jump on?
Ain't nobody touching my dad over here. But y'all was quick to jump though.
Ain't nobody jumping him. Ask him. Ask him. Hey, tell your people it was one-on-one. Tell your people.
It don't matter.
He just talked to one-on-one.
It don't fucking matter. That shit have never came with a fuck. I lay my motherfucking head on no bullshit.
I stopped it. Beat my ass as big as I live here. Who doesn't live here? That's fact. You know how I get.
Oh man, listen, fellas, who girlfriend is this? Who girlfriend is this right here, man? Right here, man. Is it you? Nah, maybe, who knows? Or is it you? Is it you? It ain't him. Or maybe it's him. Is it him? But who girlfriend is this right here? But no, anyway, besides that, what I actually wanted to pause it for, and then I got sidetracked because it was the perfect camera angle. But anyways, this is the most ratchet thing, man, not that I've ever seen, but this is some straight ghetto stuff right here, man. You got both sides feuding. You got yeah. Oh, where's this from? Oh, Akron. Yeah, man. Ohio get down like that, man. But this is just, come on, man. This is ridiculous. And then I want to know if they're pulling up on them because of the old wages and like she's legitimately owed those wages, or if in her mind she feels like she's owed some money, but maybe realistically she really not, you know, and she just bugging out.
All of these people don't live here. He don't live here. You don't live here. Hey, Mom, back up, Mom. Mom, back up, man. Back up. Stop. The police do their job. You don't live here.
Somebody for me.
Man, you don't live here. Nobody talking like that, though. You don't live here. Get the fuck out of here.
She a woman. I'm grown. I'm 40.
Who did what?
He thought he beat my ass.
He just whooped you,
If
bro.
you don't live here, leave. If you do not live here, leave.
But you lost, though.
No, back up, dude. Back up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you so aggressive, ready to put your hand on a bitch.
Back up. What's their names?
What's your name?
Jabril Hazley, lady here.
What's your name?
And I don't know their daddy's name.
You ain't got
Back up. Do you live here?
I live here. He the landlord. He the landlord. He the landlord. And this his brother and that's his daddy.
You trying to fight or what? Y'all pulled up. You trying to
What fight that?
shoot it.
They came to where I live.
said he was gonna shoot me.
I have a problem with that. She lives. She lives.
Then why are you not talking to me?
I don't care about you owning a career.
Getting in the
You don't live
Do
here.
you live here?
You don't live.
Do you live here?
Right there.
For what? On what?
Do you live here? You're
what?
not having this situation. Back up.
That's my daughter.
Okay.
I got you. Obviously get your ass whooped. Keep my children.
Can we keep?
You obviously get your ass
Can we
whooped.
keep backing up that way?
We ain't talking no more.
Yeah.
We done talking.
It ain't getting nowhere. It ain't worth it.
Man, lady.
Oh yeah, see, Papa got him some football players, boy. Oh yeah, especially this one in the tank top, boy. Oh yeah, yup. My son, yeah, he like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Papa got some football players, boy. The other guys are just skinny and, you know, they skinny ratchet, you know what I mean? But these guys over here, they actually hit the gym. All right, I respect it.
Lady.
Hey. Mom, come here.
Don't roll up like my mom. You do not want this.
Come on, man. You gotta live here, man.
Got it.
No, she's sitting here lying though. She's not lying.
That's what she do.
Mom, come on.
Oh, mama on that. Oh, why she right there?
I'm taking her out. I'm about to take her out.
Get her in the house now.
I said call somebody for me. Y'all gonna come for my brother? Call somebody for me. I said my brother.
Hey.
Shut your fat ass up. You all black.
Just go inside.
Thank you. We're going to the house, though. Go in the house, then.
My kids go in the house. I'm not going in the house.
We going to court, though.
I'm standing right here.
Where the liquor at?
Where the liquor at? Oh boy, that's not what they need right now.
The whole thing was.
Okay, calm down.
The whole thing was. I didn't do nothing because it's two of them.
First of all, they pulled up here.
Right.
She stayed right here. They pulled up here. She stays right here. That is her landlord. One of them. I don't know which one. One of them is her landlord.
The landlord with the gun in the car.
Whoever the fuck. Whoever the fuck.
Jabria.
Which one is he?
The with the white beater on.
The white beater? Okay.
Let's run and go put the gun.
He don't live here. So I don't even know why.
Damn, what kind of hood is this? He said the one with the gun in the car. Like you just, damn, you just like, damn, you loose with the lips, my boy. Like you just, what's going on here? I thought y'all, you know, there's a code to stick to or something. I thought, man, golly.
Don't none of them live here.
Are they guests of the landlord?
I
I don't know that. I don't know that.
Exactly. So.
It don't matter though.
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does. No, it don't. It does.
And we guessed at her house, so what's the point? What's the point?
You
What's
need
the
to tell
point?
me that ain't a problem, or somebody got to kill something.
What's the point?
Did they come to your house?
No, we was already outside.
I was outside
We was
already.
already outside.
So, that's how y'all do it these days? So people can kill people. Y'all like that better, right?
Is that what I said?
So it sounds like that.
It sounded like that,
It
but
sounds
that's
like
not what I said.
that.
No.
I'm somewhere. I'm somewhere.
I broke ass out of here.
He was talking to them. He turned and spoke to me, and I spoke back. Okay. One time. We all get a chance.
I hear you.
Okay?
He just went inside.
Go inside or go to jail. It's your choice. I'm not playing with you. Disorderly conduct. You weren't listening. Yeah, people are about ready to start going.
Let's go. What do we just tell you? Come on.
You like to push me, right? Yeah, well. Ain't nobody threatening you. Shut up. Shut up.
Why you keep walking over?
Oh my God. Oh my God. I ain't saying nothing. I'm on my porch. I didn't do anything. Y'all ain't getting this? Y'all not getting this shit? I didn't do anything.
covering her for?
Oh my God.
What are y'all covering her for?
Disorderly conduct.
That's crazy. And I called y'all. And I called y'all. They calling the police.
Yes.
At all. Now I'm about to go to jail.
I don't know. Honestly, I feel like a bunch of them, if you're going to start taking people for disorderly conduct, I mean, there's a bunch of them that was doing that. You know what I'm saying? So you got Big Boy too. You know, the big dude in the black shirt, man. He kept getting back involved. They told him, go in the house. He go in the house. He come right back out. Start getting into it, like him too.
All right. Bro, you're the landlord?
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
So the tenant, the lady y'all just arrested, she's my tenant.
Uh-huh.
We fired her. She quit 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
The pay period ended today.
Okay.
She was supposed to come up and get her check at a certain time. She came through the office door, busted through the door, demanding her money, right? I'm a man, respect me. You'll get your check. I'm dealing with something right now. Wait while I write your check. Instead, she walked through my office, had to call the police on her at my office.
Mm-hmm.
They escorted her out of there. I gave her the check. My HR lady wrote the wrong last name. So instead of just calling me, hey, the wrong last name, her mom called me with this dude on the phone and some other dude and her. I got it on camera.
He got
They
recorded
threatened
and
me.
everything.
They said they was gonna slap my mom. They was gonna slap my little brother who autistic. So naturally, they talking about they wait on them to pull up. Naturally, I called the police. I already called them on the way here.
Right.
Because I didn't know what their intentions was. I'm gonna make sure my family cool. So I pull up. This dude out here, he run up on me. We get to tussling. He swing on me. I defended myself. I sat on him and waited for the police to pull up. But it was taking forever. He told me he had asthma, so I got up.
Right.
Then that's when this dude pulled up, the first dude y'all arrested, he pulls out a crowbar.
The guy
Out this truck with his kids in the back. He pulled out a tire rod. Then y'all pulled up. And that's when and then they pulled up afterwards. But they called me hours before on camera threatening me and my family. If it was just me, I would have just ignored it. You know what I'm saying? Right. I own the property and my mom and brother live here with me. So I had to come make sure they was cool. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And that's what happened.
Yo, that's insane. That's insane, bruh. But we got to go back to the origin of the situation. And the origin of the situation is your HR lady. I know it's going to be unpopular. I know y'all going to look at me crazy. I know you looking at me crazy like, what? Yeah, she bust through the door, this and that. That's, you know, she won her money. Okay, right? But you give her her money and you messed up the paperwork. Listen, she should have handled it a lot better. She didn't have to take it there like that. But also, he should have his HR people in line. That's important. When you're dealing with funds and running a business, things like that can't really be getting messed up. You know what I mean? But hey, I salute the brother for, got him a little business, got him a couple rental properties doing his thing. You know what I mean? Hey, it is what it is, man. Just another day in the hood.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.